Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run your own community on Skool. So let's get right into it. Now, to run your own community, what you need to do first is create your account, and once you do that, you need to create a community. Now, from the Discover page where you'll be taken when you create your account, you can click here to create your own community, or you can click here and click Create a Community from here. You'll need to enter your group name and your payment information so that you can subscribe to it. You will have a 14-day free trial, but after that, the fee is $99 per month to run your community. Now, once you do, you can go into your community tab and set everything up. You can upload your cover photo. You can invite people to join that community. You can add a description, which I do recommend you do. And once you set everything up so that your community looks nice and welcoming, you can start making posts. So you can write posts about whatever you want, and I do recommend you write posts regularly if you want to grow your community. That is the most important way to do. If you have regular posts, people will be engaged and they might invite other people. You can also try to market it and use either your social media following or any friend contacts that you might have to spread the word of your community. You can also go ahead and set up a pricing model if you want your community to be a subscription-based community. You can add a price if you've connected to Stripe, which I'm not because I don't have a Stripe account. And you can also enable a 7-day free trial if you want people to test it out and see if the community fits them best. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.